Moby Dick is a Herman Melville novel about a sailor named Ishmael who joins the Pequod, a whaling ship, to seek revenge against Moby Dick, a white whale that had previously injured him. The crew faces various challenges and encounters, exploring fate, free will, and humanity's place in the universe. Ahab's quest for the whale isolates him and endangers the crew. In the climactic confrontation, Ahab finds Moby Dick, but the whale destroys the Pequod and Ahab is killed. Ishmael is the only survivor, rescued by a ship named Rachel. Moby Dick examines the destructive power of obsession, the importance of balance in life, and humanity's search for meaning and an indifferent universe while exploring theme of fate, free will, and understanding. Herman Melville's Moby Dick examines obsession, revenge, and humanity's struggle with nature. Through Captain Ahab's relentless pursuit of the white whale, the novel explores the destructive power of fixation, the tension between fate and free will, and humanity's place in the universe. The whale in the ocean symbolizes forces beyond human control, highlighting the limits of understanding.